Sometimes it doesn't take a big moment to change your day. Just a tiny shift is enough. And what if that shift comes from the most unexpected place? Today, we explore a very short poem but with a deeply powerful message, Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Before we understand its meaning, listen to the poem once. Dust of snow, the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. At first glance, this feels like a simple natural scene. A crow sitting on a tree shakes down a small amount of snow which falls on the poet. But look deeper. This moment is not ordinary. The poet was already having a bad day, a day he had rued, meaning a day filled with regret, negativity, or disappointment, and then something unexpected happens. A crow, a bird, often associated with negativity, sits on a hemlock tree, a tree linked with poison or darkness. Even the setting feels negative, and yet, from this very moment, something changes. The falling of tiny snow particles, just a dust of snow, brings a shift in his mood. If something so small, so ordinary can change the poet's entire mood, then what does it say about our own lives? This is where Robert Frost gives us his real message. Change doesn't always come from big achievements or major events. Sometimes a small, unexpected moment can bring clarity, calmness, and even hope. The poet says this simple act has saved some part of the day, not the whole day, but some part. And that is very real because not every day becomes perfect, but even a small positive shift can make it meaningful. When a day feels heavy, do we wait for something big to fix it? Or do we notice the small moments around us? In our daily lives, a kind word, a short conversation, a small moment of silence, a simple observation of nature, these small things can change our mindset, but only if we allow them to. This poem builds observation skills, emotional awareness, ability to find meaning in simple moments. It teaches you not to just read poetry but to feel it and connect it with life. This poem teaches a powerful lesson. Never underestimate small moments. A tiny change can shift your thinking. A small positivity can break negativity. A simple moment can restore hope. Even in a difficult day, there is always a possibility to make it better. Sometimes life doesn't need a big miracle, just a small moment noticed at the right time. This is Bright Educational Classes where learning helps you see deeper and grow stronger. If this perspective stayed with you, share one small moment that changed your day. Stay connected for more learning that connects with life.